Since Job retired, we are trying to, we did with Dennis Mwenda last year. I hope he's available. I'll give him another opportunity. So unless he's not available, then I'll be into problems. I have to try and get someone who is experienced, yes, to keep up with my pace. Yes, you cannot just go and pick and somebody who is starting running from 2 days, 1 year, 2 years. We need a little bit of experience. Expectations are always high. We want to finish first because we don't win without finishing. We want to finish and finish well and finish in a good position. Last year we came fourth. This time we want a podium 1, 2, 3, or mostly 1. I actually want 1. And we know we are capable, we have the skills, we have a car to drive that. And that is our main this year. Easter gives everybody a chance to come and experience motorsport, gives more fun to come and watch the rally. Even the hospitality gives a lot of people time to come and enjoy the hospitality which Kenya gives, the magical Kenya. So it's a good thing. Schools will be closed, children will be able to come. My children will also be able to come and watch Daddy drives. So it's a nice thing. Yes, and especially during Easter, the weather changes. You don't know, you cannot predict what will come into the next stage. So it makes the motorsport, the event more interesting for the drivers also.